What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Nostalgic Toys Plus. Well, I actually got this box pretty much during the Christmas season last year, 2021, and yeah, I'm just not opening it. Ooh, the past few weeks have been a little busy, but hey, I'm getting to this now, so I actually don't know what's in this box. Like, literally I don't, because typically every past couple of Christmases or whatnot I want a little extra surprise for myself, so I just decided, get me a Geek Fuel mystery box, and avoid looking at YouTube, looking it up to see what's inside of it ahead of time. So I'm just going to be just as surprised as you all are. If you haven't already known what's inside this box, of course. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to this unboxing. Let's see what we got. And I'm not sure if my order was the November box or the December box, but it's one of those two. There we go. Alright, let's see what's all in here. First of all, a Street Fighter throw pillow. Geek Fuel KO. Oh snap, is that what it looked like? This feels kind of interesting to be up. Wow, feels like rubber. Well, of course it could be just this I'm feeling, but interesting. I'm not sure exactly what it's gonna look like, but hey, I would like to have a throw pillow. That sounds pretty cool. So I don't know whether it's gonna actually look like this or what, but hey, I'm gonna like it, I know that much. Alright, so Street Fighter throw pillow. I'm just gonna leave it on top just like that. Alright, let's see what else we got. Oh, super shakers. Let's see, what is this exactly? Is this salt shaker and pepper shaker? That's what it is? Yep. Interesting. So I'm guessing this must be a P on this one, right? I can get it out. There we go. Yeah. Salt and pepper shaker, y'all. Oh, very, very cute, very nice, very creative. I give you credit, Geek Fuel. I would have not have thought of these. I'm probably I don't know if I'm gonna use these or not. I don't know. No, I'm probably not. Well, I'm gonna think about it. But very cool. Very cool. Very interesting gift. Would not have expected that. Alright. Put those back in there. Okay, now let's see. So far, so good, Geek Fuel. I am impressed. Let's see, what is this? Oh, a shirt. And yeah, this definitely was a holiday box, probably Christmas box, maybe, I don't know. Interesting, a Gremlins shirt. Yeah, all that. Alright, and it's my size, so I'm liking that. Cool. Alright, let's see what else. Got a few more things. Alright. Bangarang letter opener. Oh, you can fly, you can fight, and you can grow. Make happy. I'm not sure if I know this franchise. Interesting. Okay, well, I have to look them up and see what this is about. Because I almost thought it was like some Peter Pan looking thing, but I don't think so. If y'all know what this series is, y'all can put it inside the comment section, because I have never heard of this. Yeah, interesting. But oh, very nice though. What's this? It got some nice little weight on it too. Oh, man, see, I would have used this to open this box. Instead of me trying to rip it open. Oh, very nice indeed. Okay. So, is this what holds it, I guess? Oh, it's a coconut. No, another. Oh, duh, Walter. So, yeah. Interesting. Yeah, you know what? First of all, I'm gonna have to look on YouTube and see if I can find out what this series is, because I've never seen or heard of it before. And secondly, yeah, this will actually come in handy, because I definitely got some nice unboxings to do, videos to do, so I can just use this. So yeah, okay, these are some very thoughtful and very useful gifts I'm getting from Geek Fuel. Okay. And this is why I keep going to Geek Fuel, because I like what you get and for the price that you get it for. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm going to keep probably going back to Geek Fuel. And one last thing. Suicide Squad pins. Label pin set. Interesting. It's like Killer Croc, Katana, and can't quite make out the name for this one. If y'all know who that is, y'all can put it in the comment section. But yeah, interesting. Okay. So I don't know, I might keep this. Then again, I think I know somebody who will like this as well too. I don't know, I'm gonna think about this one. But yeah, so that is the Geek Squad either November or December mystery box. So nice pin collector set. Actually, let me move this out the way now. All right, there we go. So quick recap, we got the nice Gremlin shirt there, and we got the very nice letter opener here, which I still gotta find out what this series is about. Whoops. Right, pin set. Yeah, the salt shakers. I ain't gonna lie, this is cute. This is nice. The salt and pepper shakers. And then you got this Street Fighter throw pillow, which I'm still wondering what it actually is going to look like. Oh, you know what? Hey, duh. Okay. Okay, it's a throw pillar opener as well. Because I'm really curious to see what this actually looks like. I hope it looks like maybe an old school controller, or arcade controller rather, but I don't know. Oh, wow, it's still okay. Oh, wow. There we go. Open it up. Well. Oh, okay. This. Oh, it's like if y'all can make it out, it's is that Ryu's fireball? Is that what that is? Huh. Well, let's see if I can open this up again. Oh, is hissing. It's interesting. I opened, put a hole in it, and then it started hissing at me. Okay. Oh yeah, Hadouken. Okay, cool. Yeah, so that's what it is. It looks like it's Ryu's fireball. Now, that's cool. I'm not gonna lie, that's fire, right? Get it, fire? Yeah. That's cool. Okay, cool. All right, Geek Squad. I am impressed. I am impressed this year for sure. All right, so recap. All right, got the Kaioken fireball, letter opener, pin set, Gremlins t-shirt, and the Super Mario Brothers looking salt shakers. Very, very, very thoughtful and cool and awesome mystery box. Yes, this is why I like Geek Fuel, because the stuff you get from them is quality stuff. I like the price of a mystery box, man. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna keep doing this each year. This, at the end of the year, a little extra surprise gift to me. Go ahead and get me a Geek Box mystery box. So yeah, so that is my video today. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you would do me a solid, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Hey, at this point of the making of this video, I'm already past 70 subscribers. Yes. Wow, the channel is actually growing. So I'm on my way to 100 and then keep going from there. So of course, please spread the word about this channel. If you would, tell your friends if they're interested in this kind of things, old school toys for sure, as well as new school and school in between toys and collectibles. But thanks for watching. Take care, be blessed, have a toy-rific day, and Happy New Year. Peace.